All right, so currently we got some propaganda going on. Young Washington sequel 1776 in the works after 20 plus million Angel Studios live action opening record. And this is from Deadline. And once again with Angel Studios, I call shenanigans. This is part of their pay it forward system, the controversial system they have used for almost all of their major releases. Essentially, tickets are bought online, and whether they're claimed or not, and I checked for this movie, it does count towards this movie, whether they're claimed or not, they count towards the box office total. This means someone could go in and buy 100 tickets, they sit there, they never get claimed, and it gets counted towards the total of the box office. I don't think there's any other reputable studio that does this with all of their releases. Angel Studios is the only one that does this, and it's been highly controversial because it feels like they're gaming the system. Whenever you see one of these like pro-America type movies or pro-Christian type movies from Angel Studios, typically it's going to be used in this pay it forward system with ticketing, which means that all of those numbers are going to be inflated and do not actually show the movie is popular with an individual group of people. Since this is really the only studio that does this, I don't know if there's going to be any rules set in place for this in the future, but I could only imagine if something like Disney or Warner Brothers or another studio decided to do this with any of their bigger like tentpole franchises, and all of a sudden $200 million worth of tickets were sold with no one collecting the tickets. I don't think people would be quiet about that. So I do think there needs to be some sort of system in place so that stuff like this doesn't happen.